going to discuss about the 5 chapters of research. Class, prepare for a quiz from chapter 1 to 3 on our discussion. Also, prepare a finished research paper from chapter 1 to 5. We are going to have a research defense the next week, Wednesday, after revising your final research paper. That's all, class dismissed. Oh, before I forgot, there is a recitation 1 week before the completion week on the second quarter in the first semester. Thank you.
Now I'm giving you the soft copy of the handout of chapter 1 to 7. Because you will self-study these materials. That's why I'm giving it beforehand. Kayo na bahala mag-produce ng hard copy niyan. We are gonna have a long quiz, 50 items. You will create a scrapbook about chapter 1 to 7 in the handouts. It is individual. Dahil alam ko yung iba sa inyo ay maasa lamang. Kaya individual na lang. This is to be submitted on September 30. Make sure na walang mamimiss out na terms and topic. Okay? I will check every single one of those. For your assignment today, since wala na tayong time, your class mayor will send this on your GC. So one whole sheet of yellow pad. Any question? Class, goodbye.
Good pa ba to? Para tayong papatay sa dami ng gawain.
Hindi ba? Tambok na naman. Di ba pwede isa-isa lang? Ano ka?
O, isang subject pa lang, ang dami ng gawain. Paano naman sa ibang subject? Tapos makakatuto mga kabilang. Ay, naku.
Grabe na mga teacher dito. Akala ko enjoy lang. Hindi ako informed. Yung pala tambak ng mga schoolworks.
Kung di mo na alam kung anong uunahin, sa dami ng schoolworks mo, create a schedule ng mga gagawin mo and be sure to follow them accordingly.
Okay guys, gawa tayo ng research ha. Tulong-tulong tayo.
Iniisip mo kung paano matatapos ang research paper nyo. Don't worry, may kagrupo ka. Hindi mo kailangan buhatin ang mga pabigat mong kagrupo. Let them, and they will follow. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work.
Stress na stress ka na sa dami ng gawain. Take a break and listen to your favorite playlist sa Spotify, YouTube, o kahit saan pa man.
Yung feeling na gusto mo nang sumigaw sa sobrang stressful ng life, that's when a friend comes in. Share your feelings with someone without holding back. I assure you, they won't judge.
Kung hindi mo na alam kung paano isasaksak ang lahat ng terms sa BF@org, huminga ng malalim at maglakad-lakad. Enjoy the nature and inhale the fresh air.
Don't let stress direct your life. Be the one to do so. Hindi stress at problema ang may hawak sa buhay mo. Ikaw dapat ang magdidikta kung saan ka mo.